As we continue our tutorial journey with EventYap, let's explore the Analytics Hub, your essential tool for tracking ticket sales and revenue in real time. To access the Analytics Hub, navigate to your event page and click on the Reports button. From the drop-down menu, select Analytics Hub, which will open a dashboard providing a complete view of your event's performance. At the top of the dashboard, you'll see the total number of tickets sold, giving you a clear sense of how sales are progressing. Just below that, the income generated from ticket sales is displayed, allowing you to monitor revenue over your chosen time range. You can easily switch between periods such as the last 7 days, last 30 days, or last 90 days to analyze trends and compare performance over time. Scrolling further down, the dashboard presents a breakdown of ticket sales by price category. This section highlights which ticket types are performing best and contributing the most to your overall revenue, helping you identify opportunities to optimize pricing or marketing strategies. With these insights at your fingertips, you can make informed, data-driven decisions to enhance your event strategy and maximize success. And that's it. You've now learned how to effectively monitor and analyze your ticket sales and revenue using the Analytics Hub. If you have any questions or need assistance, our support team is always here to help.